Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DHgate how to get free shipping. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. DHgate does offer free shipping, but it's typically available on selected items and may depend on factors like the seller, product category and your location. Now to find free shipping, what you can do is head over and open up your DHgate app and then simply log into your account with the DHgate credentials. Then once you're inside here, what you can do is tap on the search bar on the top, then type in free shipping. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is browse to the items on your search list, then tap on it and check if the product has free shipping mentioned or not. Some sellers provide free shipping for specific countries or order amounts. View the seller's shipping policies on the product page. Then once done, all you gotta do is tap on buy now or add to cart and follow the on-screen process to successfully purchase the product. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.